What's good, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Finishing up the bathroom. This is the Project Source Toilet Dual Flush from Home Depot. This thing is only $100. The Glacier Bay at Home Depot is $100, but I'm closer to Lowe's, so I just went on and got it from Lowe's. So, like I said, this is the Dual Flush. Open it up. I can actually drink this water because nobody blessed the toilet yet. I can drink this water. This water is clean. Oh, man. Okay, so here it don't have like one drop. Usually it have one drop for pee, 2 drops for poop. So right here is the one. And then that's a pretty powerful flush too. We'll wait for the level to come back up. Then I'll show y'all too. All right, the water level came back up. Now let's use number 2. Don't really see that big of a difference, but it is what it is. All right, let's get into some specs real quick. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just in case you want to know, this is a 12 inch rough in. So we made it to the 12 inches. When you put it at 12 inch rough in, you have approximately we got a little bit over a half an inch back here. So you're supposed to be at least a half an inch away from your wall. You don't want to be too close to the wall. So this is pretty good. Now, as far as this goes, the top part is about 15 inches. And in case if you want to know the length, I don't know how many people would want to know the length, but it looks like we close to 28 from the wall. So on the bottom, it will be trim. It'll be trim right here. So we always go from the wall when we do our rough ends and stuff like that. So we at 28, okay? And that's about it. It works, it flushes good, and I am happy. And that's it with that little review right there. Like I said, I got this for Lowe's, $100, and I will put the link in the description.